What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Bluetooth device to your HTS820. Now on top of using the input on the back of the subwoofer, another way we can play some music through the system is by pairing a Bluetooth device. So to do that, we're going to switch the input source of our system by going to the master volume knob and clicking on it until the display on the front of the sub reads Bluetooth. You'll also hear that sound letting us know that it's set to Bluetooth mode and looking for a device to pair to, like our smartphone or tablet. So from here, I can go into the Bluetooth settings of my phone or tablet and search for the device that reads HTS820 and click on it to pair. And then you'll hear that sound letting us know our devices are connected. Keep in mind you'll want to adjust the volume of the music with the volume notches on your phone. You can also use the volume knob on the back of your sub, or you can use the volume button on your remote. And now anything I play on my phone will also play throughout the system, so let's go ahead and hear how it sounds. Nice. Sounds great too. Wow. Ooh. Nice. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your Bluetooth device to your HTS820. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.